dear students in grade 12. That is our advanced course for Set 2 subject test math level 1. The 21 reals, barons, Kraken, Kaplan, Peterson, McGraw, and etc. All with a total of 55 tests with the answer key and explanation is available. And all of it you can find it available as a PDF file on the website on the Learning Management System, on the LMS for grade 12. I hope you all are in good health. Let's start together what we are going to study for Set 2 for those who decided to be doctors and pharmacists, engineers for the future. And that is our Set 2 advanced course. Let's start together from the first question. We are going to take every day like 10 minutes or 15 minutes studying some of the questions together to finish all of it before the next trial that we are going to practice. According to the set, the College Panda, they say there is going to be held the makeup on the 6th of June. Number 1, if x equals 2a minus 7 and y equals negative a positive 7, then x plus y equals, here at that time we are going to add x plus y directly, so 2a positive minus a equals a, negative 7 positive 7 equals 0, so the suitable solution is going to be a. It's number A. For the second question, we are going to take in geometry. In Set 2 there is some of more advanced geometry. In the figure above, OP bisects the angle AOR. That one's at the left hand side, and each one of them is going to be 55, so the sum of them is going to be 110, and the rest of the straight angle is going to be 180 minus that 110, so it's going to be 70, the both of ROS and SOB. So if also OS bisects the ROB, then each angle is equals that 70 divided by 2 is going to be 35. Add them to the 55 to find the angle they are asking about. The measure of the POS is going to be 90 because 55 plus the 35. So the suitable answer is number B. And if S here at that time, number 3 equals 10 and ST equals 60, then we can find that T is equals to 6. 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. Then S plus T equals 16 equals 8R divided by the 8. So R is equals 2, and the suitable answer is going to be C. For the fourth one, in that table you can find which of the following equations models the data in the table above. And every time substituting instead of x the numbers to the left hand side, and you can find the value of y to the right hand side as we can see it. If you try the first one at A, it isn't suitable for all of the solutions. Yes, it's suitable for number 1, the 0, but is not for number 2. If you find it 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. It should be 2, not 4. But if you are going to try the suitable answer number B, as it says x plus 1 as a perfect square trinomial, that is going to be 1 plus 1 squared is 4, 3 plus 1 squared is 16, 5 plus 1 squared is 36. So the suitable answer is going to be number B, x plus 1, all of them squared. Here number 5, Tyrone invented a new type of a camera. A company will pay him $400,000 for his invention, and then 10 cents for each of the cameras sold. Which of the following represent the total amount of money in dollars? Tyrone here will receive if n cameras are sold. So at the beginning, the initial money is going to be paid for him is that 400,000, and then 10 multiplied by the number. So the suitable answer is going to be number D, 400,000 plus Tn. At question number 6, we can find here In the xy plane, if the point of the coordinates 0, 3 is reflected about the x-axis, you know reflection about x-axis change the sign of the y coordinates. So at that time, what the coordinates of its image? The only one is 0 and negative 3, as in number C, and the suitable answer is C. In an election, Lee received 5 votes. For every 3 votes Chris received. If Chris received 555, so that 555 should be dropped down Chris. So how many votes did Lee receive? We are going to multiply the 555 multiplied by, at that time, you are going to multiply it by the 5 divided by 3. So 555 multiplied by that 5 divided by 3, and it's going to be 925. So the suitable answer is number D, 925. In the xy plane, which of the following points is collinear with 0, 0 and 2 and 1? To find the point which is collinear to the other points, they should have the same slope. You know how to find the slope of the straight line, what we studied before in the previous, in Sat 1? y2 minus y1 divided by, and the rate of change among the x coordinates, x2 minus x1. So it's here 1 over 2. And the only one of those is negative 1 divided negative 2. We are going to have the same slope. So A is the point which is collinear with the other 2 points, with the origin point. And now at number 12, you can find 3 to the power, that is in powers, exponents, and radicals. If we've got 3 to the power of the square root of x equals 81, let's change that 81 to 3 as the same base of the other number. Because if the base equals the base, so the power is going to be equals to the power, to the right hand side. So that one is going to be 3 to the power of 4. Yep. Then x equals, the square root of x equals 4. Which number, if you make it power 2 to find x, so it's equals 16, and the suitable answer is going to be C. And here, 1 more than twice a, that is 1 added to twice a, double a plus 1 equals to 4 less than the square of b. So 4 is subtracted from the square of b square, and the suitable sign is going to be D. And now that one's number 14. It is talking about the absolute value. You know, any number between the absolute value, if it's negative, it's going to be positive. So at that time, if there is 3 multiplied by the 2, 6 minus 1 is equals 5. But also if it's negative 2 multiplied by 2 is negative 4, negative 1 is equals to negative 5. But between the absolute value is going to be 5 also.